during this process, during this course, when we are taking up your project, your startup or whatever it is, you will need to come back to the business idea several times to see if it's okay still or if you should update it or change it. Now we will start talking about the customers. This part is about customers, and customers are important. Without customers you will not earn any money. And many people do the mistake to start from themselves only and don't think of the customers. Customers are the key. And you have to decide who your customers are. If you don't decide who your customers are, you are going out to look for random, you don't know who you are looking for, and so on. And that will make things much more difficult. So you need to define it. And there are 8 steps we will talk about, from what you actually are selling, not only the product or service, but what you actually are selling. And we will also talk about where the customers are, how you reach them, and so on. So 8 steps we will take. And with this help, you should be able to then, in the end of this 8 steps, to define and say, now I decide that my customers is so and so. During this part we will include what are you selling, or we could say even what are you actually selling. Who could become your customer? Where is your customer? How do you reach the customer? How many customers could be there, maximum theoretically? How many customers realistically are there? How often will the customer buy? And we'll also take up culture issues. And you will answer questions and make some calculations, and in the end you will be able to say who your customer is.